Hey yo, it's me, Kana, and welcome to my channel.
Gucci, Fendi, Prada. Other bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. I put that on my partner, I put that on my family. London town, I represent, address me as your majesty.
As you can see sa title, I will be sharing my sunscreen recommendations for you guys. Halo-halo na to, this is what I am currently using, and pati na rin yung mga before na ginamit ko, pero hindi ko na nabalikan. Without further ado, let's start. First on the list, Bello Sun Expert Dewy Essence Sunscreen. Kung makikita nyo naman lahat ng Get Ready With Me videos ko, ito talaga yung lagi kong ginagamit as of the moment. This has SPF 50 PA+++++. This has water consistency, kaya lightweight talaga sa pakiramdam itong sunscreen ng Bello. Pagpasensyahan nyo na yung swatch, pero ito yung itsura ng Bello sunscreen when it's blended. See? Parang nagme-melt lang siya sa balat mo. Kaya never ako nakaramdam ng kahit na anong lagkit pag ginagamit ko tong sunscreen na to. Kaya until now, I think 1 year ko na siyang gamit. And until now, siya pa rin talaga yung sunscreen na holy grail ko. This one is hydrating and coming from its name, it's dewy sunscreen. Bibigay talaga siya ng glow and dewy effect sa balat mo. This is the most hydrating sunscreen and dewy sunscreen na na-try ko. Pero hindi siya sobrang oily tignan. And kung napansin nyo kanina, parang walang halos 1 minuto na absorb na siya ng balat ko. Kaya siya talaga yung top favorite sunscreen ko ever. Plus, lagi pang buy one take one ng Bello. Next two sunscreens are from Smoochkins. Remember, I featured this product sa mga reels and shorts ko from different social media accounts. Just a heads up, baka kapag kinlik nyo yung link down below, magtaka kayo bakit iba na yung packaging sa akin at iba na yung packaging sa link. It's because this packaging, ito yung luma nila. And I still have it, so why not? Tackle natin silang dalawa. I'll go first with Smoochkins Ectwin Ceramide Airy Lift Daily Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA 4+. What it feels like, parang same sila ni Bello, but the difference is kapag nag-set to, para ka na rin naglagay ng primer. Kalagay rin naman sa ingredients niya na meron siyang silicone. Since silicone-based itong primer na to, kapag nag-set nga siya, it feels like matte and smooth kapag hinawakan yung balat. But apparently, kapag ginagamit ko siya araw-araw, tinutubuan ako ng pimples sa kanya. But whenever I use it twice or once a week, naman ganong scenario. Next product from Smoochkins, this is their Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Blurring Matte Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA 4+. Pukan ko na to 1 beses na siya lang, and it gets the job done. It can cover the minor blemishes and hyperpigmentation sa face. This is what it looks like when it's blended. Bakit ko nasabi na 1 beses ko pa lang siyang nasusuot alone? Kasi kapag naglalagay ako ng tinted sunscreens, nagpapatong pa rin ako ng makeup dahil hindi ako okay sa coverage na binibigay ng mga tinted sunscreens. Next sunscreen, actually this is my first sunstick na na-try ko ever. This is the Voinun Oh My So Smooth Sunstick. This is also the most expensive sunscreen I have in my collection. I don't know exactly kung magkano siya, but I think it's 500 plus pesos. Isa lang ang gusto kong tandaan ninyo whenever you're using this sunstick or any sunstick in the market, dapat konti lang or enough lang yung ilalagay ninyo sa mukha nyo. Bakit? Because someone na merong oily skin, I try to put a lot of it, masubukan lang, kasi sobrang nag-oil up yung mukha ko sa kanya. But don't get me wrong, pwede nyo siyang gamitin as primer. Hindi ko lang sure if this has silicone sa ingredient niya, pero kasi yung feels niya after mo siyang ipahid sa mukha mo, para kang nagpahid ng primer. Sobrang smooth sa pakiramdam, ang kinis, ang lambot. Next sunscreen i-share ko sa inyo, wala ako to ngayon kasi ako bumibili na to nung nakalala ko yung Bello sunscreen. Pond's UV sunscreen with glutas niacinamide. That sunscreen is a hybrid of matte and dewy sunscreen. Matte siya kapag biniblend mo, pero kapag nag-set na siya, becomes dewy. Actually, wala na akong vivid review or memories using that product kasi nga, ang tagal na since last na ginamit ko yung sunscreen niya yan. Last sunscreen is this Face Republic Purity Sun Essence. Meron tong SPF 50+, PA4 Pluses. Among these sunscreens na na-share ko sa inyo for this video, ito lang yung meron claim na siya ay reef safe. Siya yung sunscreen na pwede mong ilangoy sa dagat. Siya yung dala-dala ko nung bakasyon namin sa Batangas last time, and I really love it so much. Almost same consistency sila ng Bello. This is also hydrating. It has water consistency din katulad ng Bello. Since water consistency siya, mas lightweight siya compare sa ibang mga sunscreen na na-try ko, but just like Bello. This is the side-by-side comparison ng Face Republic and Bello. They are almost the same. Medyo mas mahirap lang siyang ma-absorb compared to Bello sunscreen. Kasi si Bello, mas madali siyang ma-absorb talaga ng balat ko. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit. This is the Face Republic. This is the Bello sunscreen. But when it comes to finish, masasabi ko na mas dewy pa rin si Bello sunscreen. Mas mahal lang yata si Face Republic ng konti compared to Bello. Ang maganda kasi kay Bello is lagi siyang buy one take one. Well, not lagi, by times na nagba-buy one take one siya. Even yung iba nilang mga variant ng sunscreen. But overall, this sunscreens na na-share ko, meron silang iba't ibang finish, iba't ibang gamit. Depende na yon sa preference ko talaga that day. And I think that's all. Yun na lahat ng sunscreen na masishare ko for this video. I'll try my best pa to try more sunscreens para of course may ma-recommend sa inyo. Kung meron kayong holy grail sunscreen, let me know in the comment section para naman yan ang sunod nating itry. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to binge watch my videos, kindly click here or here. Yun lang. See you guys on my next one. Bye-bye!
Gucci, Fendi, Prada. Other bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. I put that on my partner.